It's absolutely amazing. In just 3 months, a novice came up with 6 inventive creations that even a 10-year master craftsman finds impressive. The first creation is a brand new utility knife. Remove the handle and clamp it on the front of the table. Saw a small notch in the top part, heat it with a lighter, and bend it into a right angle. Then saw another small notch, insert the utility knife blade, and a new homemade tool is ready. Cut a plastic bottle in half to make strips of plastic. For a small clip, remove the spring in the middle. Drill small holes at both ends of a lighter. Insert the spring into the holes and weld them together with a heat element. Pull the plastic strip through one end of the spring while heating it. After cooling, you'll get a very hard plastic tube. The second creation involves cutting a bottle in half and gluing the inner parts together with 502 glue. Use a small wooden block to draw a notch. Cut it with a utility knife and use small scissors to cut jagged triangular teeth in the notch. Apply wood glue to the block, and with a light scrape, the small tool evenly spreads the glue. The third creation is a utility knife. Remove the blade, draw a V shape with a marker, break off the excess, and use a small cutting mold to cut a V shape in the knife. Sharpen the V-shaped blade, fit a movable plug, and install it back. Drill a hole in the knife head and another small hole beside it. Connect the head and the hole with a spring, creating a simple, practical wire wrapping knife that even decorators praise. The fourth creation is a simple stand made by heating and bending the head of a disposable fork into a right angle, then bending it again at a 45-degree angle. It's very nice. The fifth creation involves fixing a broken tape measure. Pull out the broken part, drill a hole at the top, and cover it with a clean bottle cap. Fit a leather cover on the tape measure head and attach a thin hemp rope. Tie a knot, insert the rope, attach a pen cap to the rope end, and secure it with hot glue. Bend a small pad, tie it to the rope, and you have a new homemade tool. Open the tape measure cover, pour in carbon ink powder, and use it to draw straight lines on walls. Simple, practical, and convenient. The sixth creation involves cutting a cola bottle in half, using a wooden block to mark the bottom, and trimming it. Repeat the process on the other half to get 2 round bases. Weld hot glue sticks to the bases, insert LED lights into the sticks, and connect the positive and negative poles of each stick. Use black and red wires to link them, wrap them in hot glue, and figure out how to light them up. Use an electromagnetic lock, solder it, and secure it with hot glue. Connect a small switch and a 7V battery in an electromagnetic box. Attach it to a marked hole in a cola bottle, and you have a creative DIY lamppost that's unique and stylish. That's all for today's Innovations in Focus. For more innovative techniques, like, follow, share, and save. Stay tuned for even more exciting content in the next episode.